Hey, good afternoon, everyone. This is Neal. Welcome back to Returning to Basics. I'm up at Mammoth Spring in a cemetery out in the country called Moton Cemetery, and I am working on cleaning off the lichen and the mold off of one of the gravestones of one of my cousin's grandparents. I thought you might be interested in seeing how this is done and what you might want to do this kind of thing to some of your relatives' headstones. Here's the headstone, and as you can see, it's quite covered with what we would call tree mold. I know it's a lichen, and I have a product here. I think it's called Wet It and Forget It, or Wet and Forget. But you mix it up, 5 parts water to 1 part of the solution, and you spray it on there. They give you instructions to actually clean off the mold first. So I brought me a scraper, and I'm going to gently work on this, get as much of this off as I can. All right, pump this up. Let's see. Can't spray some of this on here. Get in there real good. All right, pump a little bit more. Now let's give the face of this thing one more good spray. You sure can smell it. It smells kind of like Windex, but stronger. All right, Homer and Margaret. Let's hope that gets that off of you. So there you have it. A little bit of work, a little bit of elbow grease, a little bit of compassion, a little bit of chemical, and you can keep your relatives' headstones cleaned of all the mold and the lichen as well. Hey, thanks for visiting with us. God bless you. Keep cool. Have a super day.